What's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in Tampa, Florida in the Cheval neighborhood. We're gonna be doing a paver sealing job. I haven't done pavers in actually I've done a couple. I just didn't record them, so I'm gonna record this one for you guys because I'm gonna be using a new product from Deco Products. You guys know I used the silica for years, and they just came out with a two-part sealer. So we're gonna use that today. I've never used it before, but they want me to test it out for them, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna work out because everything that I've used from them always work. So if you guys haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave comments. Any questions you got, just ask, and make sure you hit the bell for new content. Let me show you guys the job. So we're gonna clean the sidewalks as well as the street curbs. You can see the curbs are pretty dirty. This is a returning customer. I did his pool cage and pool deck a little bit over a year ago. So he called me back to get this pavers done. You can see the pavers here. No color, no shine whatsoever. But that new sealer is gonna make him pop. We're gonna clean them up right now with the surface cleaner. Got a little bit of algae, mold and stuff growing right here. See some paint missing. It looks like some paint missing right here. You get that on camera, and I've seen some over here as well. Looks like there's paint missing right there. Got a little small walkway. We're gonna clean that up too. I'm not gonna put the sealer up there. I'm just gonna do the pavers here, down here. The joints up here looks like they're pretty empty. They don't have no weeds like that. Maybe a couple here and there, but not a lot. So we're gonna make sure we turbo nozzle all the weeds out. As far as the driveway go, no weeds, and the joints are pretty tight over here on this driveway. I mean, look how tight these joints are. Very tight. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started and get the driveway and sidewalks clean, and we'll move on to the next step. Y'all stay tuned. it.